Welcome to Tiny Bites. Here's your host, citizen scientist in neurology, neuroplasticity, and positive psychology, Sandy Weaver.
When you were 8, your attention and affection was easy to get and hold. A new toy, game, or maybe electronic gadget would make you delighted with the person who gave it to you and enthralled in the fun of discovery. You're not 8 anymore, and what delighted you then may not delight you now. I know if someone handed me a dollhouse kit and offered to put it together with me, I'd be happy with the gesture and less than enthusiastic about dropping everything to build something I'll never use. Now let's think about relationships, friendships, family ties, and romantic partners. Haven't those relationships needed to evolve as you've evolved too? What we valued in a relationship at 8 has grown, morphed, and deepened as we've come to understand ourselves more, right? If you haven't really thought about relationships this way before, give yourself 10 minutes or so today to jot down how you've changed and grown emotionally since you were a child, and think about what the more mature you values in people now. Think about who you are now and how you can honor that person by expecting more from your family, friends, and romantic partners. You've grown. Let your relationships grow and blossom too.
Subscribe to the podcast and share it with your friends. And there's lots more at centerforworkplacehappiness.com. Here's to your well-being, one tiny bite at a time.